So we know that Apple usually reveals the iPhones during the first half of the September, and to be more specific, either on the first or the second Tuesday of the month. But one rumor recently said that Apple might just break this tradition. But now another leaker plus Max Weinberg said that this event will happen on 7th of September. Then comes the Mark Gurman, who said that yes, it's the 7th of September and the release date is 16th of September. So now these are the two big dates that you should know. Now this year, Apple has a big plan, and not just they are ditching this whole notch thing on the iPhone 14 Pro series, they're also introducing a bigger iPhone 14 Max model, a 6.7-inch model. This model will be a hit, and Apple is very positive about these devices. So according to Bloomberg, even though the smartphone sales are expected to slow down this year, Apple is still telling its suppliers to build the same number of new iPhone units as it did last year. That will be roughly around 90 million iPhone 14 units. And combined with the older models, Apple is expected to have about 220 million handsets made during 2022. This is approximately the same number of iPhones that Apple has assembled last year. This year, the smartphone sales are expected to decline 3.5%. Now, Apple had typically ordered 75 million iPhone units each year until last year, when it requested the supply to deliver 90 million units. And boy oh boy, the iPhone 13 series was a huge success. Even though we know that iPhone 13 mini was just the weak spot, but again, you get the point. Now if you don't know, this year we are again gonna see 4 iPhones, but a little different. 6.1-inch iPhone 14 will start the range, then we will have a 6.7-inch iPhone 14 Max, then iPhone 14 Pro 6.1-inch and iPhone 14 Pro Max 6.7-inch. This year, the iPhone 14 and 14 Max will only come with Apple's A15 Bionic chip. The A16 will be reserved for the iPhone 14 Pro and Pro Max. The iPhone 14 Pro and Pro Max will also get the adaptive 1 to 120Hz high refresh rate displays, whereas the standard models will get the standard normal 60Hz displays. On top of that, the pill-shaped cutout is gonna be a new big thing that will be reserved for the Pro models, but the standard models will get the iPhone 13 notch. So that's how they're getting differentiated. And on top of that, this year the Pro models are expected to come with titanium build instead of aluminum on the standard models. So again, that's another big difference. Now the biggest difference, the cameras. Well, this year the Pro models are expected to come with 48 megapixel main camera, which is like 4 times the resolution of the iPhone 13 Pro's main camera, plus it will be a much bigger sensor. So overall, it's going to be a huge of an upgrade. Even though the front-facing cameras on all the iPhone 14 models are getting a huge update, it will be made by LG Innotek, and that will be a costly sensor, but that's a different thing. And if you don't know, the pricing has gone just crazy. If you want to know about that, then you should check out my recent video on this channel. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Are you buying the iPhone 14 or 14 Max, or you're probably looking for the Pro models? And just before the outro, if you want to check out some of the coolest wallpapers on the market, then definitely click the link in the description below, or just simply visit my website johndavid.com, where you're gonna find a lot more tech news and stuffs that matter. So definitely visit my website. Until the next one, bye and take care.